This program is used to assign the values to the segment codes that we've created in GB6000 GL account file maintenance. Please listen to the tutorial on setting up GL segmentation if you haven't already done so. So if we execute query in the screen, we'll see that we have two segments defined in our system that we've done in GB6000. And in this screen here, we are actually assigning valid values to these segments. So anywhere that you're entering a GL account into the system and you're prompted for a segment, the values have to exist in this screen in order to be able to proceed any farther. So if we quickly fast track into GL account table maintenance, where we actually set up our GL accounts, where we string them together, we'll set up a GL account. So we'll put in the branch number. The branch number in this case this is not part of the string of the GL account number, but now we can see here we're prompted for our first segment, which is department number. That's our short description that has been set up for segment number 1. The long description is cost center, so I didn't want to confuse you in any way there. Now we can do a list of values, but for example, say if we just typed in any value whatsoever, 777, we're going to get record does not exist, and that's because it doesn't exist in our valid segment values table. So we'll clear this field out, do a list of values, and then from here we can select a valid value. And again, for a second segment, we can select a value from our list of values and enter. Now what happens here is it strings together the description from this valid segment value 300, which is Montreal, and for 0 to 10 was accounts payable cash discounts. And then we can proceed on to enter our GL account. We'll just, we're not going to save at this point, and we'll go back to our screen, and we can see our valid segment value 300 has a description of Montreal, and our second segment that we had entered in there was I believe 0 to 10, which is AP cash discounts. So the description was meshed together as Montreal accounts payable cash discounts. That description can be changed when you're setting up your GL account in GB5800. If you wanted to put something in there, it can be overwritten, but these are the default values that are altered in when you're setting up an account for your convenience. Review: these segmentation values must be set up before a GL account can be set up in GL account table maintenance GB5800. That concludes the tutorial on the account valid segment values.